While agencies are charging four figures to compile market research, Google Disco turns your messy browser tabs into professional client deliverables in minutes. 72% of web users have Chrome installed right now. And there is one workflow this enables that almost nobody is talking about yet. I am Paul James. I help solo creators and freelancers turn AI tools into actual income without expensive software. And what I am about to show you will change how you think about every research session you do from this point forward. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level, because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is what Google Disco actually does. Google released this through Google Labs as an experimental browser built on Gemini 3, their most intelligent model. You describe what you need in plain English. Disco looks at every tab you have open plus your recent Gemini chat history. Then it builds a custom web application right there in your browser. No coding, no templates, no manual copying and pasting between tabs. Picture this. You are researching cybersecurity trends for a client pitch. You have 17 tabs open. News articles, technical specifications, competitor websites, industry reports, pricing pages. Normally, you would spend 3 to 6 hours organizing all that into a coherent deliverable. Disco analyzes those 17 tabs and generates an interactive dashboard that synthesizes everything. Market trends visualized, competitor analysis formatted, technical specs compared side by side, all sourced back to your original tabs. That research session you were doing, it just became a sellable asset. Here's where it gets interesting. Google calls this feature GenTabs. You can refine what it builds using natural language. Tell it to add a section, remove something, change the layout, reorganize the data. It updates in real time. Every element links back to the original web source. This is not summarization. This is structured intelligence compilation. Now, here is the problem this solves. Freelancers and solo creators have always had access to the same information as agencies. You can read the same reports, visit the same websites, access the same data, but agencies charge premium rates because they know how to structure that information into professional deliverables. Market research reports typically command $800 to $3,000 in the consulting space. Competitive intelligence briefings run $2,000 to $5,000. Industry trend analysis, $3,000 to $7,000 depending on depth and sector. The gap was never information access. The gap was presentation infrastructure. You had raw data. They had systems to turn raw data into polished reports that executives trust. Here is what nobody tells you about this. Research is thinking, formatting is not. Agencies built their pricing model around charging for both. Google Disco just separated those two things. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. Most people see Disco as a productivity tool, a way to organize tabs better, stop juggling windows, work faster. That is the obvious use case, but there is a completely different way to look at what just happened. Google gave solo creators the exact infrastructure that separates freelancer rates from consulting rates. That is the leverage point most people will miss. Let me show you the breakdown. When an agency takes on a market research project, here's what actually happens behind the scenes. Junior analysts spend 4 to 8 hours gathering information from public sources, the exact same sources you have access to. News sites, company websites, industry publications, government databases, public financial filings. Then they dump all that into a template, add some charts, format it with their branding, call it proprietary research, charge 4 figures. The actual value is not in finding the information. The value is in organizing it into a decision-making tool. Google Disco just automated the organization part. Think about what that actually means. You can now deliver the same structured intelligence that agencies deliver. Same quality, same presentation, fraction of the time, and you are using information you were already researching anyway. Here's the twist almost nobody is seeing yet. Remember that workflow I mentioned at the start? This is it. Every research session you do from now on is not just for your own knowledge. It is raw material for client deliverables. You are researching a competitor for your own business, client deliverable. You are learning about a new industry vertical, client deliverable. You are staying current on technology trends, client deliverable. The line between personal research and sellable intelligence just disappeared. Let me give you a hypothetical scenario. Imagine you are a freelance consultant targeting e-commerce brands. You spend an hour researching abandoned cart recovery strategies. You have tabs open for Shopify apps, competitor implementations, case studies, pricing comparisons, email automation examples, SMS follow-up workflows. Before Disco, that research helps you understand the topic. With Disco, you prompt it to build an interactive guide to abandoned cart strategies. It structures everything you found, creates comparison tables, links to examples, formats it professionally. You just built something an e-commerce brand would pay $700 to $2,000 to receive. You were doing the research anyway. Here is where things get wild. Traditional consulting has a capacity problem. You can only take on so many research projects because each one takes days or weeks to complete. Even if you work fast, there is a ceiling, your time is finite. This changes the economics entirely. When you can turn 3 hours of research into a polished deliverable, your capacity just multiplied. You are not charging by time anymore. You are charging by transformation. Now watch what happens when you start thinking about this systematically. Every topic you research creates an asset. Build enough assets in a specific niche and you have a library. That library becomes your competitive advantage. A startup founder asks about payment processor options. You have already researched that. You have a Disco-generated comparison ready. An agency owner needs a breakdown of project management tools. You built that last month. A retail consultant wants the latest on inventory forecasting AI. You stay current on that topic. Your research compounds. But here's the part that changed everything for me. This is not about replacing deep expertise. You still need to know what questions to ask. You still need to interpret the data. You still need to understand your client's context. What changed is the infrastructure barrier. Before, even if you had the expertise and the research skills, you needed design tools to make it look professional, you needed templates, you needed formatting skills, you needed brand polish, all the things that make executives trust a document. Disco handles that layer. Pause on this for a second. What if every article you read, every competitor you researched, every trend you tracked could become a billable asset? You are not researching anymore. You are shopping for raw materials. That shift in perspective changes which tabs you open and how you organize your thinking. The web stops being a place to consume information. It becomes an inventory of deliverables. Here is what agencies do not want you to realize. Most consulting deliverables are structured aggregation of public information. They are not generating proprietary data. They are not running original experiments. They are not inventing new frameworks. They are organizing what already exists in a way that helps clients make decisions. That skill is valuable, but it was always accessible to you. The barrier was the infrastructure to package it professionally. That barrier just fell. Let me be clear about something. This is currently in limited testing through Google Labs. You join a waitlist. It is macOS only right now. Not everyone can access it yet, but the principle matters more than the specific tool. This is not the last tool like this. This is the beginning of a category. The infrastructure that used to separate solo creators from agencies is being commoditized in real time. The question is whether you see it coming before your competition does. Here is the money angle most people will miss. Consulting firms win projects not because they have secret information. They win because they show up with polished presentations that make clients feel confident. If you can deliver the same polish, the same structure, the same professionalism, you can compete for the same projects. Market research for a local business, you can deliver that. Competitive intelligence for a startup, you can build that. Industry trend analysis for an investor, you can create that. The work was always within your capability. The packaging was not. Now it is. Think about what your next 90 days look like after mastering this workflow. You are not scrambling to build deliverables from scratch. You are refining assets you already created. You are not competing with other freelancers on time and availability. You are competing with agencies on value and insight. You are not charging hourly. You are charging for structured intelligence that helps clients make better decisions. That is what leverage looks like. If you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Google Disco is not a productivity hack, it is a business model shift. The web stops being a research tool, it becomes a manufacturing floor. Your tabs stop being clutter, they become inventory. Your research time stops being overhead, it becomes production. Agencies built an entire industry around structuring public information into professional deliverables. Google just handed you the same infrastructure for free. Most people will use it to organize their personal browsing better. You are not most people. You see the gap between information access and professional presentation. You see that gap closing, and you are positioned to move before that shift becomes obvious to everyone else.